Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss. We'll be sharing a full guide on how to play a game in a chat using Messenger. If you're looking for some fun and interactive experiences, this video is for you. So, let's dive right in. First things first, if you haven't already downloaded the Messenger app, head over to the Play Store or App Store on your device. In the search bar, type Facebook Messenger. Look for the app with a chat bubble icon, featuring a sideways lightning bolt and a gradient between purple and blue. Tap on it and then tap on Install to download it. Once you've installed the app, sign into your account. Enter your login credentials, and you'll be directed to the Messenger home screen. Now, let's explore how to play a game in a chat using Messenger. Tap on a chat with a friend or group where you want to play the game. It could be an existing conversation or a new one. In the chat, tap on the 4 dots located in the bottom left corner of the screen. This will open up additional options. Among the options, look for Play Games. It's represented by a controller icon. Tap on it to continue. Here, you'll find a wide selection of games available to play within Messenger. Browse through the collection and choose the game you want to play. When you select a game, it will open up Facebook in your browser, where you can enjoy playing the selected game. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can easily play a game in a chat using Messenger. It's a great way to have fun and connect with your friends through interactive gaming experiences. That wraps up our full guide on how to play a game in a chat using Messenger. We hope you found this information helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful guides. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.